Hello, I'm Tom Morton from Kent County Council from the Road Safety Team. This is the second video in a series that we're doing about checks that you can make to your bicycle before you set out on the road. In the last video we spoke about the brakes, the steering and the tyres. Today we're going to be talking about the saddle, how it fixes into your bike and how to check if it's secure. On this particular bike, the saddle is connected to the bike by a quick release clamp, this one here. What I want you to do is, when you've got the bike in front of you, hold the saddle by the front and by the back and twist it to see if it moves. If it does, that clamp that we've just spoken about isn't tight. To tighten it, you're going to need a very, very small piece of specialist equipment. Nothing more complicated than a set of Allen keys, similar to this one. These can be bought from any cycle store or possibly from an online distributor. To make the adjustment on this particular bicycle, what you need to do is tighten the bolt which is on the opposite side to the clamp on the seat clamp here. Don't over tighten that, because if you do, there's the likelihood that it might snap, in which case the seat won't be secure in the frame at all. The other type of clamp that's employed on some bicycles has a fixed clamp. It hasn't got a quick release lever on it at all. It just simply has a bolt which runs through it, and that is all that you need to do to tighten that, is just nip that up a little bit in order the saddle stops moving. There's one other bit of information about the saddle that you need to know about, and that is actually on the back of the saddle itself, on the seat pin that the saddle is attached to, there's a scale, and at the bottom of that scale there'll be a line. In this case it's here, and it says it's the minimum insertion depth. Whatever you do, make sure that when the saddle on the seat pin is inside the frame, that line is also inside the frame. If it comes above the frame, then it's not properly fitted and it's in a dangerous position. So make sure that line is down inside the frame before you take to the road on the bike. Once that's completed and you're satisfied that the saddle and your tyres and your brakes and everything else are working correctly, then by all means go off out onto the road and enjoy yourselves. But please remember, always wear that safety equipment, cycle helmet, and be bright as well whilst you're riding. Take care of the people that you're riding with and stay safe. Thank you very much. Enjoy your ride.